Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can resize the nodes inside the graph view of your Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. So here in the Obsidian Notes app on your device, navigate to the given workspace in the bottom left. Here guys, you will see your nodes listed on the left hand side and them visualized in the graph view here. You can access the graph view here on the left hand side. So what you want to do next guys is click into these nodes and position your node here, for example, and also these connections. So that's how you work with the graph view. So if you'd like to customize the appearance of these nodes, you can do that by clicking into that gear icon here, expand the display settings, and then you may enable, for example, arrows for these connections, and also adjust the node size. And as you can see guys, if you, for example, if you're having trouble to clicking into that node because they're too small, you can resize these nodes and make them larger. That's it. You can also resize the connections or increase the link thickness here so that these connections may be more visible. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.